ನಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದು. Now I will explain how to make it organic paneer at our home. Take 250 ml or 500 ml or 1 liter of milk and then make it to boil the milk. So milk has to boil like this up to this extent. Once you have made the milk, it is a standard calculation that 1 liter of milk will give you 250 grams of paneer. You take our organic cheese lactate powder, take only half spoon and in the boiled milk just like put it and then stir it. Once the moment you stir it, you see within the fraction of seconds you can start making your own paneer. It is very simple process. You don't need to buy chemical based paneer from the market. You can make your own paneer, maybe 100 grams, 50 grams, 250 grams, half kilo, 1 kilo, whatever quantity based on your family requirements. Every day you don't need to deep freeze or store your paneer in the refrigerator or deep fridge. Just make it, have a fresh paneer like this, and then once this is made, finish, then what you have to do, this is a 100 grams packet available in this form. What you have added is only half teaspoon in 250 ml of milk. So this particular paneer along with the water you will have. That paneer, what you have to do, something like every day you make tea at home, just switch off your stove, then just filter it to decant or remove the water. That's all. You have your paneer made. This is maybe a 50 kilograms. It's a live demonstration how to make your paneer. This is very soft. Unlike a chemical paneer, it looks like hard cake which you have to make it into pieces with a knife. Whereas this is a very soft paneer having no chemicals, no lemon water, no other chemicals like citric acid or something like that. And most important, this water, what you are seeing is a milk whey protein. The whey protein water is separated. You made paneer and milk whey protein water. This water don't need to be thrown away. All the paneer companies, they are throwing and creating pollution. It is highly nutritious and very healthy for particularly home ladies and also for 45 years and above men and women who have knee problems or something like that. So it will provide not only protein, carbohydrates, multivitamins, vitamins and micronutrients and everything along with proteinous material. It is a simple liquid. It looks like if you take any tonic, medical tonic, some taste will come, it will come like that. But just sip it immediately and have it so that you will have nutritional milk whey protein for which you are buying from the airports maybe something like 2,000 rupees or 2,500 rupees Milky Way protein powder. This liquid can be converted into powder form to sustain its shelf life for a longer period. But this is in the water form. You don't need to buy from outside. Your own nutritional liquid is available, whereas your paneer is also available, very soft paneer. So the 100 grams will cost you maybe less than $1.5 in the Indian currency, 100 rupees only. But it will last for almost 1 month or more than 1 month based on your consumption or utilization of milk converting into paneer. You have shelf life of this particular product more than 3 years. It is a very stable organic salt. Nothing chemicals involved in this. This is approved by USDA, good manufacturing practices, all global certification including halal, Lacan certification from Germany, US FDA, all the certifications are available for this product, and this product is introduced by Pratishtha for the first time in the small packs, whereas for the past 25 years we are selling in the bulk quantity and enjoying monopoly in entire India and Asian countries. So enjoy your own organic paneer, make your own paneer, be healthy, stay safe at home. Thank you.